has not 2 but 4 pockets. What? These are the nipple pasties. I got this for just 230 rupees. I just got this for 312 rupees. See?
पाय नहीं दिसत सोना पाठी हो.
अच्छा खाली खाली ऐसा पैन कर देना. पैन कर. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and are safe at home. So today's video is going to be a huge Zivame haul, and because Zivame पे इतना बड़ा सेल चल रहा है, मैंने सिर्फ खुद के लिए नहीं but मेरे फैमिली के लिए भी बहुत सारी चीजें ली हुई हैं, and they are gonna flaunt their outfits in today's video, which has never happened on this channel. So I'm so excited for you guys to watch it, and this is my little push and reminder to you guys to buy things for your family also here and there. It really makes them happy. It's the little things in life, because again it's such a big sale. You can buy a lot in bulk and it will not burn a huge hole in your pocket. I'm going to talk about the sale in depth in the next clip, but yeah, wanted to just welcome you guys, and without further ado, let's get started. We have a lot of items. I think if I'm not wrong, we have around 25 items in this haul. Let's get started with the first thing, which is going to be the cheapest out of all the items, which is this beautiful sky blue shorts. I got this for just 270 rupees. I'm gonna like insert the screenshot on the screen and also the name, so that it will be easy for you guys to like copy paste or know exactly what the name is, and you can search it on their website. But मैं description box में भी link देने वाली हूँ, so don't worry about that. And before we get started, let me just tell you about the SOS sale that Zivame is having. So the SOS sale has started already. It has begun from today, which is 8th of June. You have up to 60% off. Yes, you heard it right, 60% off, and there is an option of cash on delivery as well. So अगर आपको online payment नहीं करना, आपके पास card नहीं है, तो आप आराम से cash on delivery भी कर सकते हो. On top of that, it has 15 days easy exchange and return policy. And again, as usual, I have a coupon code which is flashing on screen right now, which is called Manasi Zivame. Not Manasi, Manasi Zivame. तो अच्छे से उसको copy paste कर लेना, मैं description box में भी दे ही दूंगी, and that will give you more 10% off on all the products. So it's like an additional discount from my side. I'm not gonna earn anything because of it. It is just for you guys. So yeah, let's get started because there are so many items. So I have bought like individual pajamas, like shorts and pajama, and also like night suits. So this is how it looks like. I never had this color. It's such a nice powder blue or baby blue color. Look at that. And all the outfits or all the pajamas that I have bought, every single thing has pockets, and you know my love for pockets. I cannot live without pockets. I mean, we deserve pockets, come on. Perfect fit, comfortable, very soft material, nothing to complain about. Okay, let's talk about this. Oh my god, it has Tweety all over, plus it's lavender. It's a lavender pajama. It's not full length, it's like a capri size, and it has pockets, of course. I am in the size XS, perfect for me. I'll be leaving the sizes on the screen or in the description box below, so it will be easier for you guys to shop. I got this for just 620 rupees or 629 rupees. I mean, look at that, and it's all cotton. I love the material so much. It feels so soft against your skin. Okay, let's move on to something which is not really mouse choice or like preference. I don't own a single like bottom wear of this color. I just have like one top, like which is this bhadak orange, and when I saw this, मेरा दिल immediately आ गया इस पे, and it's a jogger pant. Again, you know my love for joggers, and मैंने last time के Zivame haul में बहुत कम कपड़े दिखाए थे, like night wears and all of that. मैंने ज़्यादा bras और lingerie पे focus किया था. आज के वीडियो में भी है, but I wanted to show you the variety that Zivame has to offer. It's not just like lingerie. They have a lot of other things as well. So they have this, the jogger collection is so beautiful, and I think I'm gonna buy next pair of set of joggers from there only. Fits me so well. It's not extremely tight, not extremely loose, not extremely long, because I don't have long legs. So sometimes na the joggers are so long in length that थोड़ा weird बैठता है ankle के यहाँ पे. वैसा scene नहीं है. It has not 2 but 4 pockets. What? It has front pockets and back pockets as well. Alright, let's move on to these sets. Guys, I feel I should make like a separate nightwear haul because you guys seem to love my nightwears, and this is going to be like my next favorite. You're gonna see me wearing this so much now because the quality and the feel against your skin is so cozy. Yellow and blue ka combination, which is so like eye-catching. This is how the pajama looks like, and it's so beautiful. Again, it has pockets, and the material, I wish you could like feel the material through the camera. I have fallen in love with how the pajama pajama feels especially. Let's move on to the next set, which is again going to be lavender, and it's from their Looney Tunes collection. Again इस पे tweety बनी हुई है, and honestly I live in pajamas. If you see my vlogs, if you don't already follow me on my vlogging channel, please go and do. It's called More Mau. आपने देखा ही होगा कि मैं हमेशा मेरे पजामाज में रहती हूँ, and इसीलिए मैंने ज्यादा पजामाज के लिए शॉपिंग किया हुआ है. The only night suit which is like a short and थोड़ा sleeveless है वो ये वाला है, which again is beautiful. It's cotton and it's white floral print. You can clearly see. I loved it so much कि मैंने आज वीडियो भी इसी पे बना लिया है. नीचे शॉर्ट्स है इसके, of course उसको पॉकेट्स भी है, and it is having a floral pattern because it's from their new collection called as floating florals. Okay, so this sale is like having unlimited styles, but the offer is very limited. Limited time के लिए ही offer होने वाली है, so you have to hurry up, otherwise your sizes can go out of stock. They will definitely go out of stock. So as soon as you are done watching this video, go ahead, click on the links in the description box below and start shopping. Alright, let's move on to what I have bought for my sister, and she has bought all blue things. I don't know why she's bought everything which is blue, like 3 things and they all are blue, different shades. I mean different bhi nahi hai, sare navy blue hi hai. Anyways, let's talk about the first sweatshirt that she bought. So this is how the sweatshirt looks like. Very plain, basic, so Bhakti Didi vibe. And she's I think preparing for US. Abhi se it's a very thick material, very thick knit material, and this is Bhakti Didi modeling for her sweatshirt. Next we have in the same shade is another night suit, and this is how it looks like. Wait, let me just find the niche ka. Okay, this is how the combination looks like, and I'm so sorry for the lighting which is fluctuating. I thoda like experimented with the lighting of the camera and it's just acting up. इसका जो नीचे का पजामा का क्वालिटी है वो सेम मेरा जो ट्वीटी वाला मैंने आपको दिखाया था येलो और ब्लू, सेम क्वालिटी है, सेम स्ट्रेचेबल मटेरियल है. एंड देन द थर्ड वन अगेन is blue. तो जो दूसरा वाला था that is like half sleeves, and this one that she has got right now is full sleeves, and इस पे भी मतलब कुछ pattern नहीं है, सिर्फ be original लिखा हुआ है. Alright, let's move on to something which I bought for mama. So I bought this beautiful gown for her, and it has a beautiful pleat pattern in front, and मैंने double XL खरीदा हुआ है, but क्या हो रहा है कि यहाँ पे थोड़ा tight हो रहा है मॉम को और थोड़ा लंबा सा है तो हम काट देंगे नीचे से. So yeah, and she honestly loved it. Like we tried it yesterday and she loved this. So that's that. And again I bought some bras for her. सारे same collection के ही है, तो I'm just gonna show you one out of those, and बाकी जो 2 है वो black and nude color का है, but she wanted a dark pink color. This is how it looks like. It's like the t-shirt bra. She wanted something which is soft and like non-padded, non-wired, so I got this for her. Perfect if you are someone who doesn't like padded bras. Alright, night suits काफी हो गए यार, थोड़ा lingerie के बारे में, shapewear के बारे में भी बात किया जाए. Let's talk about a strapless bra. अगर आपके पास अभी भी एक strapless bra नहीं है, please खरीदिए, and it just comes handy in all the outfits. So like what I'm wearing right now, इसके अंदर मैंने strapless नहीं पहना, इसमें मैंने nipple pasties पहने, जिसके बारे में भी मैं बात करूंगी. But आप strapless bras सारे outfits में पहन सकते हो, except the backless. Backless में आपको nipple pasties पहनना पड़ेगा. This is how the bra looks like. It's padded and it's called the strapless bra multi-way straps. Okay, let's move on to something which is my favorite in the bra like lingerie collection. Is this is like a tube bra, and it does not have any pads. Now hold on, I know you guys must be like, why have you not bought something which is padded? I'll tell you one thing. So if you are like a small to medium chested girls, this is for you. What you can do is you can buy nipple pasties, which I'm wearing right now, and then on top of that you can wear this and you are sorted. A lot of the times when you buy like a heavy padded tube bra, it looks kind of odd when you wear it in tight t-shirts, and you're gonna feel so comfortable and not very heavy. And the plus point is कि ये आप कोई white shirt के अंदर या white shrug के अंदर पहन सकते हो. This and this I wore and it was looking so beautiful, like this color combination. You can wear this in like white shirt, black shirt as an inner, and it will look beautiful. Okay, let's talk about this, which I cannot live without. I literally, मतलब मैं इन पे जीती हूँ. आज भी मैंने वही पहना हुआ है. These are the nipple pasties. I got this for just 230 rupees, and your life is gonna change. अगर आपने अब तक buy नहीं किया है, ये pause करो video, अभी place करो order, and you will thank me later. So what this does is you can wear this under any of the bras that you have. So you might have a lot of bras जो जिनमें padding नहीं है, but you love those bras. The fitting is perfect, but आपकी nipple दिख जाती है, तो उसमें आपको ये इंसर्ट करना है बस एंड यू आर गुड टू गो. What this does is it sticks to your nipples. It's just very small and seamless. It's a very sticky thing, so you have to remove the plastic and you can just stick it on your nipples and you can wear your bra and you're good to go. It comes with this Ziploc bag as well, so you can use होने के बाद आप वापस प्लास्टिक उस पे चिपका के क्लीन करके आप अंदर रख सकते हो. I use this at least 4 times, 3 to 4 times. After that I like throw it away for hygiene purpose, because when you wear it उसपे sweat आ जाता है, थोड़ी धूल जम जाती है, so you can't keep on wearing this. So you have to like toss it out after 4-5 uses. I mean depends आप कितना उसको use कर रहे हो, कितना frequently use कर रहे हो. Then I want to talk to you guys about their Kokum Sharbat collection. What a beautiful name, and they have 2 colors in that. एक बहुत अच्छा सा deep pink shade है, and then they have this lime green yellow kind of a color, and look at that, it's so beautiful. It has kind of like a chicken curry pattern on the bra. So what I love the most about this bra is that वो अंदर से padded तो है ही और अंदर bra जैसा दिखता है, can you see? And ऊपर they have a layer of like a bralette. तो आप ये ऐसे deep neck वाले shirt या t-shirt में पहन सकते हो, so that it will not only work as a bra but it will work as like a bralette. So if you're not comfortable with like showing your cleavage and if you are conscious about it, this will help you. तो आपको 2 layer पहनने की जरूरत नहीं है. You can wear this and you're good to go, because a lot of the times what happens is you wear a bra and then you wear a slip or like a camisole on it and then you wear your shirt or whatever that is. ये अगर आपके पास होगा तो you are sorted. I picked this up and उसके साथ एक matching panty भी मैंने ले ली है. This is how it looks like. Alright, let's move on to more affordable things, which is going to be this cycling shorts. I realized this, that I just have one pair of like cycling shorts which is like dark blue. When I was packing for Goa and I wanted more cycling shorts to wear under my dresses, and I was like, I don't have any. So this time I decided to pick it up in like a skin nude color. I just got this for 312 rupees. Like look at that quality, it's so stretchable. They have multiple sizes, so you can choose any from that. Okay, अगर dresses की बात चली रही है, let's talk about this shapewear. So this is how it looks like. This is called the seamless shapewear, and मेरे पास और एक है जो मैंने लास्ट हॉल में दिखाया था. तो अगर आपको और एक शेपवेयर चाहिए जो थाई तक नहीं जाए और ऐसे वाला हो, तो यू कैन जस्ट चेक दिस वन आउट. और मेरे पास ब्लैक कलर का नहीं था तो मैंने ये खरीदा हुआ है. ऑफ कोर्स आई गॉट यू ऑल हेवी चेस्टेड गर्ल्स. आई नो इट्स सो डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू गाइज टू फाइंड अ गुड ब्रा, बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ ब्रास डोंट फिट यू एंड कप साइज में प्रॉब्लम होता है, स्ट्रैप्स आर वेरी थिन एंड व्हाट नॉट. ट्रस्ट मी, मिनिमाइजर कलेक्शन इज समथिंग दैट यू शुड डेफिनेटली चेक आउट, एंड दे हैव so many sizes, double D तक भी sizes है उनके पास, तो आप definitely check कर सकते हो. मैंने last time भी इसके बारे में बात किया था. So what minimizer does is that it gives the illusion of not so big boobs. I understand that girls who are having big breasts, they feel uncomfortable in public if the bra is not correct. Well built, and the quality is also amazing, and they have a bunch of colors. So yeah, minimizer bra is something you should definitely check out. If you are a new mom and your breast size has recently changed, it's so difficult to find a good bra. They have nursing bras as well, so you can check that out. You can check this one out as well if you want. And मुझे उससे याद आया that Zivame has a lot of variety on their website. It's not just like lingerie and nightwears, and this is not mentioned in their brief. I'm saying this because I'm so proud to see a brand do this. They have items for people who have just gone through breast cancer and they have gone through surgeries. They have a lot of items for those women as well, and it's commendable, and I'm so proud of Zivame for doing it. And you guys know that I will always recommend products and brands that I genuinely resonate with. And when I saw this last time, मैंने नहीं देखा था ये, आज ये टाइम मैंने बहुत अच्छे से ब्राउज किया उनकी वेबसाइट को, और जब मैंने देखा कि उनके पास ये सारे ऑप्शंस भी है, आई वाज सो प्राउड. सो या आई मीन इफ समवन इन योर फैमिली हैज गॉन थ्रू दैट और योर family friend, you can definitely tell them to check those products as well. So yeah, that is all we have for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have watched it till here, then please go ahead and check out the links in the description box below. Let me just tell you that the sale has already begun. From today, which is 8th of June, you have up to 60% off, and you have cash on delivery as well, plus 15 days का easy return और exchange का option भी है. So don't forget to check out the links in the description box below. I have the link for their app as well, so you can download the app and start shopping on their app. और पूरे वीडियो में मैंने फ्लैश भी करा था the coupon code. मैं वापस बता रही हूँ, it's Manasi Zivame, which will give you additional 10% off. Alright you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Comment down what other videos you want me to do. I'll be back with another video. Next time I think vlog post होने वाला है, तो आप मोर माओ को सब्सक्राइब कर लेना. Again, डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक दे दिए हैं या फिर आई बटन में भी आपको मिल जाएंगे. एंड आई विल सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye bye.